$1 billion in leverage just got flushed out of the Bitcoin market, completely resetting the board. But the data shows the biggest move hasn't even happened yet. We're going to break down exactly what went down and what it means for the price next.
$57.55 million. Right before the big drop, that's how much money in leveraged Bitcoin longs was stacked up at one single price point. You're looking at a ticking time bomb. And you gotta understand, a number like this isn't just a number. It's pure rocket fuel for a massive, violent move. All that financial pressure coils the market up like a spring, just waiting to snap.
And boy, did that spring snap. $1 billion flush wiped the slate clean. But that brings us to the real puzzle, right? Why did the single biggest target, that $57 million wall, get left completely untouched? The answer to that tells us everything about where we're going next.
So to really get what happened, you have to see what the market looked like right before the fireworks. It was just a sea of leverage, and the data shows just how dangerous the setup really was.
Take a look at this. On December 28th, this heat map was practically glowing. These bright yellow lines, those are massive clusters of leveraged long positions, just stacked up from 88 all the way to $91,000. It was a total powder keg, and the fuse was already lit.
And then, the spark. What came next was a classic liquidation cascade, a really violent market reset that completely changed the entire landscape.
And here you can see it perfectly. Cause